Ever wondered how to stay safe online? Enter the world of virtual private networks, more commonly known as VPNs. A tool that was once exclusive to big businesses, the VPN has now evolved into a necessity for all of us who venture into the vast digital universe. In the early days of the internet, VPNs were primarily used by big corporations. Picture a multinational company with offices scattered across the globe, needing a secure way to share sensitive data. A VPN was their secret weapon, creating a private network within the larger internet, a secure tunnel for their confidential information to travel through. Fast forward to the 21st century, the VPN has evolved from a business tool into a personal shield. With the rise of cyber threats, the VPN has become a knight in shining armor for everyday internet users. So how does a VPN work? Imagine you're sending a letter. Without a VPN, your letter is like a postcard, visible to anyone who cares to read it. A VPN, however, envelops your postcard in an envelope, encrypting your data and making it unreadable to anyone who intercepts it. Moreover, a VPN masks your IP address, a unique identifier that links you to your physical location. With a VPN, your IP address is replaced with one from your VPN provider, making you virtually untraceable. It's like sending your postcard from a PO box instead of your home address. But the magic of VPNs doesn't stop there. Ever been blocked from viewing a video because of your location? A VPN can change your virtual location, unlocking a world of content on platforms like Netflix or Hulu, previously inaccessible due to geo-restrictions. And here's a little secret, a VPN can even save you money. By altering your virtual location, you might find cheaper flight or hotel prices, as these can vary depending on where you're booking from. Not all VPNs are created equal, though. The best ones have a no-logs policy, meaning they don't keep a record of your online activities, ensuring your data remains hidden even from them. In 2024, some of the top VPNs include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, Surfshark, and private internet access. So there you have it, the evolution of VPNs from a business tool to an internet necessity. Stay safe, stay private, and unlock the world with a VPN. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things cybersecurity. Until next time, happy browsing.